question. A train running at 54 km per hour takes 20 seconds to pass a platform. Tambara train chidumush. There is one train. All right. Let this be the train. Okay. Then there is a platform. So let this be the represented by platform. All right. And the platform Bisha. Next, it takes 12 seconds to pass a man. Now there is a man here. All right. There is a man here. Okay. Nichidu on platform gitawa. So question Gashlame, a train running at a speed of 54 km per hour. Tuga and the train ime. This is a train. This is a platform, all right? Platform. The train gives 54 km per hour. He takes 20 seconds to pass the platform. So that means ana single distance he will take he will only take 20 seconds to pass. Next, it takes 12 seconds to pass a man. A man walking. So the train pass he will take only 12 seconds. Right? Time the 20 seconds, 12 seconds. Pass a man walking at 6 km in the same direction the train is going. Now the train is moving in this direction, right? So the man is also moving in this direction at a speed of 6 km per hour. The question is asking us to find the length of the train and the length of the platform. All right. So how are you going to find this now? Now let the length of the train be L. And let the length of the platform be B. All right. Now, when you find this kind of question, what you can do is that instead of solving first train the platform ki solve chamni, why don't you solve the train the migi first? The train the platform cross space, all right? The train has already crossed the platform. All right. Now he is going to pass the man. Okay. Then let us do it like this. Train to pass a man fast. Train platform the pass space, all right? Now he's going to pass the man. Any time how are you going to find it? The only reason why we are doing this is that so that we can directly get the length of this train. Length length different types. So that means you can cross out the two other answers the most. So train to pass a man the how are you going to find the length of the train? So we know that the time taken to pass this man is given as 12 seconds. The speed of the train is given as 54 km per hour. The speed of the man is given as 6 km per hour. Two of them are moving. So what does it mean? We have to find we have to find relative speed. So relative speed is equals to, since they are moving in the same direction, you have to subtract it. So 54 minus 6, you will get 48 km per hour. All right, this is the relative speed. Now we can find the distance. So distance is given by speed times time to move. So speed 48 times time is 12 seconds. Now here, you have to see here. Length is given in meter no kobe, but here speed is in kilometer per hour. So you need to convert that into meter per second. What you need to do, you directly multiply by 5 by 18. When you multiply this by 5 by 18, you will get, let us see, okay, 48 times 5, you will get 240 by 18 meter per second. Meter per second is everything. Now you can directly calculate it. Speed is 240 by 18 times time is 12 seconds. So in calculate 240 times 25 minutes more than 240 times 12 divided by 18, you will get 160. The unit is in meter. Now class I told you that for a train to pass through a man or a pole the distance covered by the train is equal to the length of the train's the distance cover for any train the Himalayan nahichmushta any main cover benigidenu distance kamchi cover begolapchi. During that time, it is the length of the train because the length of the man is negligible, right? So this is the length of train. Okay, length of train. LG value topchi. Now see the option 160, 160. Remember, there is two. Length of the train is 160 topchi. So option A the delay chini. B the C is memory because another the length of train is given 150 to 140. So you can just cross check this. Okay. So you have to find it from 160 A the delay chito. All right. Now, to find the length of the platform, we know that total length covered for a train to cross this platform. All right. Now we are going to solve it for train to pass a platform. All right. Platform pass penigi denlu. Kachidu. The distance covers, total distance cover is L plus P Timo. Here LD we got it as 160. 160 plus D meter. Okay, it is in meter, right? Time taken the gamjinu, it takes 20 seconds. Now, what is its velocity? Velocity, since the platform doesn't have a velocity, it is fixed stationary motion. It is 54 chamchimode. It is 54, right? So we can directly calculate the distance. So distance is given by speed into speed times time, right? So distance the gachimoda to 160 plus D more equals to speed. Speed is given you 54 kilometer per hour, right? You have to convert that into meter per second. So times 5 by 18. All right. So when you do this, you will get 54 times 5 divided by 18 chavachin. You will get it as 15 kilometer per kilometer means it will be 15 meter per second. All right. So you put it in this formula. 15 times time is 20 seconds, right? So to get the value of D, what you need to do? So D is equals to 15 times 20 chavachin. You will get 15 times 20. It is 300. So 300 minus 160 mosh. So how much you will get? 300 minus 160, you will get 140 meter. So DK value you got is 140 meter, which is option A. Length of the train is 160 meter mosh, and the length of the platform is 140 meters. So your answer should be A. All right. The question is saying there is two train. There is two train. Let this be train number A. All right. And then let this be train number B. All right. Two train A bija and B bija. Okay. Two train, that is one is 100 meter. Then chidi 120 meter long. All right. Are running in the same direction. Same direction. Move pede both of them. All right. At a speed of 72 kilometer per hour. 54 kilometer per hour na move pede. All right. In how much time will the first train cross the second? So we are supposed to find the time. Time find the right? Question is saying like that. So very simple. How to do that? To find the time, formula is distance by speed. More distance the total distance that you need to cover right now is 100 meter plus 120 meter. All right. Divided by speed the since both the train are moving in the same direction, you have to find its relative speed. So relative speed the since they are in the same direction, you have to subtract it more. So 72 minus 54 chavachin, you will get 72 minus 54, you will get 18 kilometer per hour, right? Now the answer the time is given in second. So what do you need to? You need to multiply it by 5 by 18. Okay. So you will get 5 meter per second. Look, this is the speed. So speed you got it as 5. All right. Now 220 much. It has become 220 divided by 5, which is equals to 220 divided by 5. You will get the answer as 44 second. So your answer is B. All right, your answer is B. Kadim chibe, one object is moving. If one object is moving and the other one is stationary, then the distance covered will be the length of trains. The one object moving the train train give length. Why? Because any length is if this stationary object is a man beru, pole beru, so it is negligible. All right. When you find the relative speed. If the train and the man are both moving in the same direction, you have to subtract. If they are moving in the opposite direction, train ana jode midi na opposite direction, you have to add. Find the relative speeds. You have to keep it in mind. All right. So that's it, motion from time and distance ki di amchini.